Hi, I'm Dr. Yan Reyes. I'm a pediatric infectious disease specialist and my practice is in the Philippines. So for now, napakadaming Filipinos na may COVID, usually mga 10 to 15,000 a day. Ako, may patient ako, kahit 3 months old, confirmed positive na sila ng COVID. Merong 11 months, ang iba naman buong family, as in apat sila na magkapatid, confirmed positive na COVID. So this is also very stressful for us doctors and also stressful for the patients. And even the whole Philippines is already stressed because of this pandemic. I have read that the best way to combat stress is to go near plants and trees. So that's me. I started tree planting because I want to distress through plants and trees. In Japan, they have this Shinrin Yoku, which means spending more time around trees. It is launched around 1982 as a national health program in Japan. So Japanese are required, especially children, to go near trees. So they call that Japanese forest bathing, which is a scientifically proven to improve health. So it is not just about fresh air. Hindi lang fresh air yung kinukuha nila through forest bathing, but they noted that the trees emit oil. So merong oils na ini-emit yung trees, which serve as a protection from germs and insects. So the trees emit oils that are called phytoncides. These phytoncides na pinoproduce ng trees to protect sa kanila sa mga insects, maraming studies na nagsushow din siya na tumutulong siya, nakaka-help siya ng immune system ng mga tao. So forest bath can also reduce depression while boosting energy. So forest reduce stress hormones. So nakaka-distress if you go to forest and if you go near plants and trees. In others, it could be a balm for urban people, especially mga taga-city, especially those wanting to escape technology. So instead of pupunta sa malls, especially pag ma-lift na yung ECQ, Extended Community Quarantine in Philippines, it is best to go to farms, to go to gardens rather than to malls. Because sa farms, makakuha ka ng mga phytoncides na sinasabi ko, mabuboost yung immune system mo, madedecrease yung stress mo, at saka fresh air pa yung makukuha mo. So you don't have to do jogging, hindi na kailangan mag-workout. Even just quiet contemplation near trees, it can also relieve your stress. So they noted that regular contact with nature really does improve our well being. So in Germany, there was a German study that noted that children growing up in farms, kung sino yung mga nakatira sa farms, and exposed to wider range of dust microbes than the reference group obtained protection against asthma. So in Germany, kung sino yung mga nakatira sa farm or sino yung mga may exposure sa dust, mas less yung asthma nila. So hindi na yung totoo na sobrang clean dapat yung environment mo. It's best na ma-expose sila sa mga plants or yung mga dust ng plants kasi natural yun eh. Halos clean dust yun. So this is from the New England Journal of Medicine. They also noted that yung mga Russian Karelia, so isang tribe to ng mga Russia na usually nagsistay sila sa farm, less ang kanyang allergy. And when yung studies, nakita nila na meron silang tinatawag na Acinetobacter gamma proteobacteria. So itong organism na to, nakikita siya sa mga skin sa mga Russian Karelia. So protective sila para hindi sila nagkakaroon ng skin asthma. So it is associated with an anti-inflammatory gene expression in blood leukocytes. Sido noted that in vivo, so inside the body, study of mouse elements demonstrated that intradermally applied Acinetobacter protected against atopic sensitization and lung inflammation. So pag maririnig nyo yung mga doctors nyo, especially yung mga bata na may skin asthma or may lung asthma, sinasuggest na ng mga doctors na yun, go to the farm, go to plants, lapit kayo sa plants, lapit kayo sa trees, kasi para makuha nyo tong organism na to, Acinetobacter gamma proteobacteria, at saka para malanghap nyo yung mga phytoncides na ini-emit ng trees. So a farm should respect the environment and protect it in consideration for the future generation. So the more we plant trees, the more we are preparing our children and and their future children and our grandchildren for a greener environment. So it is noted that a doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent disease with nutrition. That is from Thomas Edison. So they noted that the more you plant trees, the more you plant plants, so at kakain ka lang ng sarili mong produce, mas less na yung sakit. At saka you will no longer treat, hindi na kailangan ng mga gamot. Usually, ang ginagamit na lang, kung ano na lang yung produce mo ng mga plants mo, yung mga fruits and vegetables. So this is Yan Reyes. So I hope na after kung malift na yung ECQ, so instead of going to the malls, I hope na mas maganda na pupunta na lang kayo sa farm or pupunta kayo sa gardens to get the phytoncides and to have that germs, the good germs to protect you from skin allergy and from lung allergy. So for the meantime, you always have to wear mask, wear face shield, don't touch your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and stay 1 meter from other persons. So I hope that this pandemic will end, and I really hope that all of you will stay safe, everyone. Thank you for listening.